Have you ever thought about what life would look like if you couldn't walk to your front door without feeling like your legs might give out? For millions of seniors across America, that's not a thought, that's reality. But what if I told you one simple food could help you hold on to your strength, mobility, and independence longer than any pill your doctor could prescribe? Fun. Greek yogurt, the silent nighttime muscle protector. If your legs feel weaker in the morning, part of the problem could be what you're not eating at night. Greek yogurt isn't just a tasty snack, it's a tool for protecting muscle while you sleep. Unlike sugary desserts or empty carb crackers, Greek yogurt offers a steady stream of amino acids that nourish your muscles through the night. I'll never forget Carol, a 72-year-old patient from Ohio. She used to wake up feeling stiff and unsteady. After replacing her nightly cookie habit with a bowl of plain Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds and berries, her mornings transformed. Within 6 weeks, she could walk to her mailbox without stopping, and she's not alone. My patient Tom, 68, once told me he'd stopped taking evening walks due to muscle fatigue. We added Greek yogurt into his nightly routine, and 2 months later he was doing laps around the block again, stronger and steadier. 2. Whey protein, the fast-acting recovery boost for aging muscles. While Greek yogurt gives your muscles steady overnight support, whey protein steps in as your daytime defense, especially after movement. It's rich in leucine, a key amino acid that signals your muscles to rebuild. For seniors, timing is everything. Having whey protein within 30 minutes after activity can dramatically enhance recovery and strength. Carol's nightly yogurt made mornings easier, but to take things further, we added a post-walk whey protein shake. In just 3 months, her leg tremors reduced, and she no longer needed her cane for short errands. Then there's Frank, 74, from Arizona. He struggled with climbing stairs. We started him on a small whey shake after his resistance band sessions. Within 90 days, he doubled his stair count without getting winded. When you feed muscles right after using them, they don't just hold on, they come back stronger. 3. Lean beef, more than protein, creatine, and iron for real strength gains. If whey protein gives your muscles a quick rebuild, lean beef adds powerful building blocks like creatine and iron, nutrients that help restore energy and oxygen flow to your muscles. Especially for seniors who feel fatigued or lightheaded after activity, lean beef can make a noticeable difference. Frank's recovery improved with whey shakes, but to push past his plateau, we added 2 lean beef meals per week. The result? His muscle tone and endurance visibly improved within 6 weeks. And meet Sam, 76, a retired firefighter from Kansas City. He'd stopped lifting groceries without help. After reintroducing lean steak and combining it with resistance band training, he not only regained his grip strength, but cut his fall risk in half. Sometimes the strength you miss isn't about age. It's about nutrients your muscles are quietly begging for. 4. Fatty fish, anti-inflammatory power for tired, aching muscles. While lean beef delivers strength-building nutrients, fatty fish like salmon offer something just as vital, anti-inflammatory protection. For aging muscles under daily wear and tear, omega-3s help reduce swelling, soreness, and stiffness that often hold seniors back. Sam regained strength with lean beef, but he still complained of muscle aches after yard work. We added salmon twice a week, and within a month, those aches eased up dramatically. Then there's Linda, 70, a retired nurse from Oregon. Years of rheumatoid arthritis had left her legs weak and swollen, but after consistently adding salmon and mackerel to her diet, she noticed less joint pain and more stamina. Her afternoon walks no longer felt like a chore. Muscle strength isn't just about building, it's also about recovery. And fatty fish help your body heal so you can keep moving forward. Whole eggs, don't fear the yolk. Fuel muscle with choline and vitamin D. After reducing inflammation with fatty fish, the next step is to rebuild and activate your muscles. And that's where whole eggs come in. For years, many seniors avoided yolks due to cholesterol fears, but science now shows the nutrients in the yolk, like choline and vitamin D, are essential for muscle maintenance and nerve function. Linda improved with salmon, but she still had balance issues. When we added one whole egg to her breakfast routine, her coordination gradually returned, and so did her confidence. Harold, 80 from Florida, had avoided egg yolks for decades. After we reintroduced them, alongside light resistance workouts, he gained 4 pounds of lean muscle in just 3 months and reported fewer leg cramps. Eggs are small, affordable, and powerful. And when eaten whole, they can help seniors reclaim strength they thought was gone forever. Nuts and seeds, the tiny powerhouses that keep muscles firing. After restoring strength with whole eggs, it's important to keep muscles energized and firing properly, and that's where nuts and seeds shine. Packed with magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, they support nerve-muscle communication and prevent muscle fatigue or cramps. Harold saw gains with eggs, but his evening leg cramps still interrupted his sleep. We added a small handful of almonds and pumpkin seeds in the afternoon. Within 2 weeks, the cramps faded, and he reported better sleep and steadier legs. Mary, 69 from Minnesota, had trouble getting up from chairs. After adding just 1 ounce of mixed nuts daily to her lunch, her muscle response time improved, measurable in her walking test within a month. Don't underestimate these crunchy snacks. For aging muscles, they're not just snacks. They're fuel for strength, stability, and smoother movement. 7. Tofu and tempeh, plant-based powerhouses for muscle preservation. While nuts and seeds provide essential fats and minerals, tofu and tempeh bring plant-based protein to the table, crucial for rebuilding and maintaining muscle mass without animal products. These soy-based options are packed with protein, iron, and calcium, making them ideal for seniors looking for heart-healthy alternatives. Mary's leg strength improved with nuts, but she wanted to diversify her protein sources. By adding tempeh to her meals, she not only gained muscle, but felt more energized throughout the day. Joyce, a 68-year-old vegetarian from California, had struggled with muscle weakness. After incorporating tofu with vitamin C-rich vegetables, her walking speed increased and her muscle tone improved dramatically within just 10 weeks. Whether you're plant-based or not, tofu and tempeh offer the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong and flexible. Spinach and leafy greens, the natural nitrate boost for muscle performance. While tofu and tempeh offer plant-based protein, spinach and other leafy greens bring something equally vital: nitrates. These natural compounds help increase blood flow to muscles, boosting endurance and performance, especially in seniors facing reduced circulation. Joyce saw noticeable improvements with tofu, but she struggled with stamina during longer walks. We added spinach to her meals, and within a few weeks, she felt more energized and her walking tests improved. Roger, a 72-year-old Vietnam vet, had weak legs from years of service. After adding a variety of leafy greens, like kale and spinach, to his diet, his leg strength improved dramatically, and he was able to climb stairs without the assistance he once needed. Nitrate-rich greens might be a small addition, but they make a big difference in how your muscles function and recover. Each of the 8 foods we've explored, Greek yogurt, whey protein, lean beef, fatty fish, eggs, nuts and seeds, tofu, and leafy greens has something in common. They provide the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong, flexible, and resilient no matter your age. From boosting protein intake to reducing inflammation and improving circulation, the right foods are essential for maintaining independence and vitality as you age. As you've seen from the real-life stories of seniors like Sam, Linda, and Harold, these foods aren't just theoretical, they're transforming lives. The journey to stronger muscles doesn't require drastic changes, just smarter food choices. If this video helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit like, share it with a friend or loved one, and make sure to subscribe to Wellness Nest Daily for more science-backed strategies that can change your life. Let's keep your muscles strong together, starting today.